All right, we have a 1976 MGB. This is an outlaw car, and the reason I call it an outlaw car is because that's what it is. 1976, they had rubber bumpers, lower compression engines, dual single carburetors. I think this one does too, but it's a Weber. This is a really nicely done car. I believe it's got a cam in that and a higher compression head. It's very quick. I know it has headers coming off that engine. We'll show you all that. And then the suspension sits low like an early MGB. So it's kind of an interesting piece. What they did well. Cloth soft top, leather seats, chrome wire wheels, chrome bumpers, stainless steel exhaust. I don't know if it's got stainless steel or not. We'll look at it when it's on the lift. Body's in good condition. The gaps are good. I'm going to do this walk around, and then we will put the top down, and I'll show you the engine compartment, and then we'll put it up on the lift and show you the undercarriage. All right, so let's start, since we're topside, let's start with this top. You can see all the rubber seals are in good condition. The glass is good condition, not cracked, not scratched, no rock chips. These seals are nice in the doors, but the cloth top is really pretty. Not the normal vinyl. Window is a little stressed right here. It is clear, you can see, but it's a little stressed here. Back window's good. Gaps are good on the doors and the trunks. Look at the back gap on the trunk. It's got a boot, which we'll put on when we are showing the drive. It's not a rusty car. Carpeted trunk. And then I will show you the engine compartment. And then I'll put the top down and show you the interior. Again, they did the seats in leather. There is a paint flaw that I saw right here. There you can see it when you do back and forth the reflection in the light. That's about the only thing on the paint. The front valance is damaged. We'll show you that when it's up on the lift. They're fairly inexpensive. I think you can buy them for $199 at Victoria British. Engine compartment is red as it should be. Single Weber, ribbed valve cover. Needs some good light so that you can see it. Paint on the heater is in good shape. Everything's detailed, done nicely. All right, we will put the car, or I'll put the top down and I'll show you the interior. All right, here we are again on the 76 MGB. Top down this time. You can see how straight the body is on that car. See how nice all the trim pieces are. They're straight. They're not dinged up. They're mounted nice and clean. Nice MGB. This is an interesting MGB because what all was done. That 5-speed transmission is a tremendous upgrade. Makes a big difference in the way it drives. All the gauges are in nice shape. Look at that. Crisp and sharp. No cracks on the dash. Good sun visors. Aftermarket British Leyland steering wheel is what that is. Cigarette or ashtray is missing. They did the seats in leather, and the leather's in good condition. Door cards are nice, both of them. Raise that hood again, and we will start the car. And then, as I say, we'll put it up on the lift. All the chrome's nice, paint's nice, except for the one spot. I may open up the garage door, maybe, oh, there's a TR6 with 20,000 miles. There's a BGT, an MGA. Try to get some better light for that engine compartment. There you go. Nice, nice, clean, tidy. And let's see if the old girl will start. Here we are at eye level on the 76 MGB. I want you to note how nice the chrome is. It's not pitted. Lenses are nice. Lenses are nice. Hood sits up a little bit on this side. No indication of a wreck, but it does sit up a touch. Grill's nice. Emblem is nice. Bumperettes are nice. Gap there is nice. This valance is damaged badly. They're fairly cheap. There you go, I fixed it, sort of. All right, you look down the sides of the car, see how straight it is. Doors don't hang out, the gap is good. Good, good. Door is flush. Moldings are good. All the chrome is good, knockoff is good. These moldings are good. There's a scratch right here. Door panel's good. Cap is good. Good. Chrome. You can see the spot welds here. Here, doors flush. See how straight those sides are. Back bumper's in nice shape. This gap is nice, even. And this side is very straight. This is a little old lady's MGA. We're going to do a video on that. She had it 30, 40 years. Got it out of her garage. All this is in nice condition. All right, we'll go on up. Spot welds here. Get us a good light over here. We got good tires, good tread. Looks like these bushings are in good shape. They are. Nice shape here, not busted, not broken. Fresh springs. It's got a header coming off of it. Header. This big exhaust pipe in excellent shape. That looks like it may be stainless steel. All right, floorboards are good. Jack points are good here. These are solid, solid. Inner seals are good. Inner seal over here are good. Here's the 5-speed transmission. All right, there's your 1976 MGB. Again, nice bushings here, good brake calipers, nice condition car.